What's going on, boys? It's your boy Chris here from On The Rise Imports, and today we got two different installs. It's gonna be two different videos all together. So the first install we're gonna be doing is a throttle body spacer. I know, like, it's one of those like placebo effect type of performance parts, but I've always liked them. I have one on my Jeep. I thought the intake sounded a little bit better. This one we actually, my girl got it for me for Christmas. Let me see if I can get it out with one hand. So as you can see, it's right here. It has like little spirals. I'm not too sure if you can see them, little spirals, and then it's spaced out. So this is how it's going to be. It's going to go on like so. This is going to go to the actual motor itself or to the actual intake manifold itself, and this is going to stick out for the hose. So hopefully, you know, it does create something. I am happy that that this one I think should still fit with the factory hose for the throttle body. So we're going to get going on that. And then I will take it off and then I'll show you what it looks like. The only thing I don't like is these are Allen keys. I do have a little bit and everything. I'm not a big fan of them, but let's get started on this. So for starters, it's gonna go right here. So for starters, we're just gonna take off the intake boot, or the intake boot. And then there is a coolant hose that attaches to it to warm up the throttle body itself. So for starters, let's take this whole thing off. And then you can see like there's like some type of residue on here that's coming off. I'm not too sure what it is. So let's get started on that. And then we're just gonna probably, I got this new degreaser, probably just degrease it and then just go from there. So let's go. All right, boys, so we got it off. Just four screws. Honestly, I should probably take off my whole throttle body and clean it out. See, it's super dirty. I don't have no carb cleaner either, I don't think. I may actually have carb cleaner. I may have some. So let me just double check to see if I actually have carb cleaner, and then we'll go from there. All right, boys, so this is what it looks like going in. You can see that it has like little helix shape, and then when I pressed on the throttle body, I'm not too sure if I could do it with one hand, it didn't hit. You can see it's super dirty. I don't know if I should just take it out and clean it or what I should do. I don't have carb cleaner after all. I thought I did, but it looks like I threw it away. I do have like this intake cleaner, but I don't have like a little brush or anything like that. I'm not gonna use like no sanding paper or anything like that. I tried to clean it with the blue paper towels up there, but I wasn't able to. So now I'm gonna put it back on the car. I'm thinking it goes this way. That's what I'm thinking, but I'm not 100% too sure, because then if you take it off, you could, you know, put it this way too as well. But I'm not too sure how it's supposed to go, unfortunately. And it doesn't say in the instructions, they're very vague. So yeah, so I mean, let's just see. All right, boys, so we got it all buttoned up now, got everything tightened back up. I had to take off the intake boot, then put it back on again. So everything's good right here, but I don't know what this like little stuff is right here. If anybody can explain to me what this might be. I have the grease here, but it's like everywhere. I'm not too sure what it is itself. So now we're gonna start the car and see how it sounds. All right, boys, so we got the car, we turned it on, you guys heard it, everything sounds good. The intake sounds like it's sucking a little bit more. So other than that, I think we're averaging like 25.7 miles per gallon right now. So with that being said, we're gonna see if we get better gas mileage or worse gas mileage. I mean, it's placebo, the gas pedal feels like a lot more like stiffer and everything like that. Obviously we know that it's supposed to do that. Now whether we make power, I couldn't tell you. So now we are gonna be on to our next install. I'll have to give a review on that one itself. And our next install, I will show you guys that in a bit.